Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Maths Tutorial by Devesh. We have completed chapter number 3, matrices. So today we'll start NCERT chapter number 4, determinant. In this video session, we'll learn about basics of determinant and some operational symbols. So, hello guys, I'm Devesh Raut. Let's begin our class. Determinant. Second order determinant can be written as A, B, C, D. This is called second order determinant because it has 2 row and 2 column. That's why it is 2 cross 2, or you can say second order determinant. Its value is product of principal diagonal minus product of secondary diagonal, that is AD minus BC. Next, third order determinant can be written as A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. For value, remember this sign strategy, that is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So value is it means you have to write plus A1 minus B1 plus C1. Remember this, minus A2 plus B2 minus C2 plus A3 minus B3 plus C3, like this. You can find the value using first row or second row or third row using these sign methods, or also you can find the values using either first column or second column or third column using this sign. Okay, so let's start. First you can find the determinant using first row, that is plus A1, close corresponding rows and column, will get B2 C2 B3 C3, B2 C2 B3 C3. Next, minus B1, close the corresponding rows and column, you'll get A2 C2 A3 C3, A2 C2 A3 C3. Remember this is minus because here it is minus. Now plus C1 plus C1, close corresponding rows and column, you'll get A2 B2 A3 B3, A2 B2 A3 B3. Now this is 2 cross 2 determinant, so multiply. So answer is product of principal diagonal minus secondary diagonal, that is, let's do an example. 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, 9 minus 5 4. So we know sign, that is plus minus plus plus minus plus, so write it, that is 2, close the corresponding row and column, you will get these 2, so multiply it. Minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8, minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5, minus plus 5. Now sign is minus, already there is minus, so it will become plus 1. Now close corresponding row and column, you will get 3 into 4, that is 12, minus 9 into 1, that is 9. Next, plus 1, close corresponding row and column, you will get 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15, minus 9 into minus 2, that is minus 18, that is plus 18. So answer is 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6, 1 into 12 minus 9, that is 3, that is 3, 18 minus 15, that is 3. So our answer is 0. Next, some symbols. First, Ri to Ci. Every row changes to corresponding column. If D is equal to A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3, then applying Ri to Ci, row changes to column. That is, this is our first row, it will become our first column, that is A1 B1 C1, it becomes A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3, A3 B3 C3. Next, Rij or Cij. Rij means interchanging of ith row to jth row. Similarly, Cij means interchanging of ith column to jth column. So if D is equal to A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3, then applying C23. C23 means C2 changes to C3. C2 changes to C3. That is our, this is our C2, this is our C3. Uh, uh, it is reversed. That is D dash, you will get A1, A2, A3 remains as it is. This is our third row, third column. This is our second column. It gets reversed. That is C1, C2, C3, and it is B1, B2, B3. Third, Rik or Cik. K is multiplied to corresponding row or column. If D is equal to this, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, then applying R2, 3, that is 3 multiplied with row 2. So D dash becomes A1 B1 C1. This is our row 2 multiplied with 3. So we'll get 3 A2, 3 B2, 3 C2, and A3 B3 C3. So here in matrix, if 3 multiplied, then it will be multiplied with whole entities. But here, if 3 is multiplied with R2, it is only multiplied with particular row or particular column. Next, Rijk. Rijk, it is very important. Rijk means final part, that is Rj is equal to Rj plus K into Ri. Remember that Rijk, second part written first, is equal to second part written first plus K times of Ri. If Cij minus K, then second part written first, that is Cj is equal to Cj minus K into Ci minus K into Ci. So if there is, if D is equal to A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3, then applying R31 minus 2, it means R1 is equal to R1 minus 2 times of R3. So this is our R1 minus 2 times of R3. Then applying R31 minus 2, that is R1 minus 2 times of R3. R1, this is our R1, this is our R3. So R1 minus R3, A1 minus 2 times of R3, that is A3. A1 minus 2 A3, B1 minus 2 B3, C1 minus 2 C3, and all the entities remain as it is, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. So thanks for watching my video. If there is any feedback or comment or any doubt, then do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.